In this video, you learn how to switch to a business account on Instagram. So let's get started. First off, you have to go to your Instagram profile. So you have to go to the bottom right and click on your profile picture. Then you can go ahead and go to the top right and click on the three little lines. So you can go to the settings and activity menu. Once you're in this menu, you can scroll down a bit until you see for professionals, and then you can click on account type and tools. So once you're here, you can click on switch to professional account. And here you can just click on next on the bottom. Here you can select a category that describes your business account. So we'll choose education, and you can also toggle to display the category on your profile to do it yes or no. We'll choose yes, and then we can go to the bottom and click to switch to professional account. So this may take up a little bit, but this time it was very fast. So then it will ask you to what type of professional are you. You can choose business or creator. We'll choose business for this example. Click on next in the bottom. Here you can add your contact info if you would like that. We'll just skip it and click on don't use my contact info. Here you'll also get the option to connect a Facebook page. You can skip this, or you can do this later as well, or you can do it right away, but we'll skip it for now. And here there are a lot of steps you can do to set up your professional account, but if you just click on the little cross, right now you've just switched your Instagram account from personal to a business account. So if you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.